Hello, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to spray my cranks and put some new tyres on, and yeah, these are my two new tyres and new pedals, and we're going to make the cranks black, and we're going to sand the handlebars to be black. So yeah. Right, let's get my new tyre on. Ooh. We done it.
How good do these tyres look? Amazing. Let's get these sanded. How good do these look? Let's get the frame painted and get the first coat on. Come with us. Now the second coat. How good does this look? Let's get my headstock tightened. Now the other side. Now it's time to get the handlebars on. Now let's get these nipped up.
There you go, tighten them up.
Now time to put the brake lever on. And the grips. Now let's tighten that up. Right, let's get the rear brake on. Now for the front wheel. How good is this looking so far?